Hey everyone, if you're finding the text in Google Chrome too small or too big, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to change the font size in Google Chrome, step by step. Whether you want larger text for better readability or a smaller font to fit more on your screen, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, you will see the three dots. Click on them to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you customize your browsing experience. Now on the left side, click on Appearance. Here you will see different options to change how Chrome looks, including the font settings. Look for the option that says Font Size. By default, it's usually set to medium. Click on the drop-down menu. You will see different options like very small, small, medium, large, and very large. Set the font size that works best for you. If you want to make text easier to read, choose large or very large. If you prefer to see more content on screen, select small or very small. If you want even more control, click on Customize Fonts. Here you can manually adjust the size of standard text and even change the font style for web pages. Once you have made your changes, you don't need to save anything. Chrome automatically applies the new settings. Just open a new tab and check if the text looks good for you. If you ever want to go back to the default settings, simply return to the font size menu and select medium. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust the font size in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.